Breault Research Organization, the global provider of virtual prototyping software and optical engineering services, is pleased to announce the release of ASAP 2012 V1R1. New feature highlights in this release include support for 64-bit operating systems, the ability to define rough surface interfaces with both TIR and scattering, array command enhancements for modeling nonlinear arrays, new ABg and K-Correlation scatter models, new filament and LED source models, an enhanced ZEMAX-to-ASAP translator, updated CATIA interoperability, and other software repairs and enhancements. The range of operating systems supported for ASAP 2012 V1R1 installations now includes 64-bit versions of Windows Vista and 7, Business and Ultimate editions, as well as previously supported 32-bit versions of Windows XP, Vista, and 7. Many ASAP features in the program's codebase have been updated to take full advantage of the 64-bit Windows architecture. Users may now model both total internal reflection and scatter at rough surface interfaces. Previously, TIR would occur an infinitesimal distance before an interface when conditions were met. Now, TIR occurs after surface roughness and scattering are considered, resulting in more accurate ray behavior. The enhanced array command now allows users to create nonlinear arrays from system objects. This is a useful feature for modeling complex systems and provides performance benefits when tracing such systems. Users now have new ABg linear shift invariant and K-correlation scatter models to add to the existing suite of scatter models available in ASAP. The latest filament and LED sources have been added to the Breault light source library packaged with ASAP 2012. These models include sources by Breault, Cree, LumaLEDs, Osram, and other manufacturers. The enhanced ZEMAX-to-ASAP translator is now compatible with ANSI and Unicode encoded files and includes additional workflow changes that simplify the process for defining glass catalog locations and filtering input files to include only ZEMAX files present. And the optional CATIA module for opening native CATIA files from within ASAP has been updated to support files from the CATIA V5, R13 through R21 releases. Contact us today to learn more about ASAP 2012 V1R1.